I guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install UV on Windows 11 operating system. So first here, if I go into this command prompt, let's use the CLS. If I write there Python --version, so you can see 14.6 that already installed. Now if I write there pwsh --version. So you can see PowerShell that already installed. So Python and PowerShell should be there. Now with the help of this PowerShell command, I'm going to install this UV. So let's copy this command. And this command I will paste in the description. So use this PowerShell execution policy. Then this is the UV and install US. Press enter. So here for this one, net should be connected because this will do some download as well as install. So this is now downloading UV. This is the version and this term. And here to add this bin directory, UV file is there. So if I write UV --version, so you can see UV is not recognized kind of message. So let's go to this location, copying, and open this place. Let's paste to this location. So you can see UVX file is there. Okay, so this you need to copy this path. Here, search, edit, system, environment variable. Environment variable. Next, you need to go on this path, click on this edit, new, and paste it there. Okay, okay, then okay. So if you write UV, again the same message, you need to open the command prompt manually. So if I write UV --version, so you can see this time there is no any problem with not recognized kind of message. So this will display the version of the UV as soon as possible. So you can see this version that installed. If I write this time UV, so this you can get this on. So this is how we can do the installation. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video.